Mm-hmm. Be back. Fuck that shit. Fuck that virus and every damn thing. I'm going to the motherfucking club. Nobody make me stay in the damn house. I'm a grown ass woman. But that's how it's done, y'all. That's what it's like now. Say fuck that shit. I'm grown. I wear the fuck I want. That's what it's like. Cause I mean, who in the hell in their right or wrong thing would still be going to the goddamn club? And you know it's a fucking virus thing. They supposed to be shut the fuck down. I don't know, y'all. It is some ridiculous shit. But hey, you do what you do. Shit, you're like you said, you're a grown ass woman, right? Nobody can tell you what to do and what not to do. So, yeah, just do that. Do you, man? Because like I say, I'm damn sure finna do me. I'm staying away from people. How the hell you supposed to stay 6 feet away from people when you out in a crowd of fucking people? That is not gonna be no 6 feet. I'm sorry, man. There'll be something in this damn mailbox, man. I'm hollering out it, though. So it really wasn't that. Well, yeah. Like I say, you can't tell another motherfucker nothing. They just have to find that shit out on their own. What they doing is stupid. I'm gonna go back this way. I was gonna walk around that way, but hell no. Like, these motherfuckers here, they're like, oh, I'm grown. I can do what the fuck I want. Okay. You are, like I keep saying, if you already fucking sick, why the hell, like you already got a disease, you already sick or whatever, why the hell would you want to be out and about when there's a virus going around? And they're telling you, if you already sick, stay your ass in the house. Stay away from people, because you never know who got what. But, I mean, if they don't give a shit about their life, who am I to? Who am I to make them care? Like, shit. Like I say, you don't care? Neither the fuck should I. But that's them. All I can say is I'm finna worry about my life. I'm finna do me. That's all I'm doing. And let's see if this guy's here. The house, the snack house. Y'all, I'm so tired. I don't want to do this, but hey, hold on, y'all. Yeah, it's so damn hot. My thighs are sweating. Oh my shit. My thighs are sweating. Here's the refill change. Check my thighs are sweating. Yeah, it's hot than a motherfucker out here. Damn. Ooh, this ain't for me. This ain't for me. Y'all, this weather is not for me. I'll take my ass back to the damn house, honey. Then they like some place told the fuck up. Everybody stuck her out. But since I heard the courthouse back open, baby, he never had no stick on his car. But since he moved to Texas from Oklahoma, well, at least this was the last place. But since I heard the courthouse back open, I'm gonna get my inspection. Pray that it pass, y'all. And then it's gonna pass. Then go to the courthouse and just get my sticker. After that, I'm gonna go apartment hunting. But that's it. That's what I got planned for coming up. Yeah, bye, y'all.